Hey guys, in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to remove the axles out of a Chrysler 8.25 rear end. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing we're going to do is jack up the rear end and place it securely on jack stands. Next thing we're going to do is remove the wheels. Now with the wheels, and in my case the wheel spacer removed, we're going to go ahead and release our parking brake and then remove our drum. Next up, we need to remove our rear diff cover. Make sure you got a good pan, it's going to make a mess. Go ahead and completely remove all but the top bolt, and then the top bolt you want to loosen up, pull out about halfway. That way you don't drop the diff cover down in the pan. You just make sure to knock it loose and it should peel off, drain, and then you can go ahead and pull that off. Now next thing you want to do is we're going to need to remove the center pin, but in order to remove the center pin we need to remove this bolt right here. If you are unable to access this bolt or the center pin, what you need to do is put your transfer case in neutral. If it's an automatic, you need to put your transmission in neutral, and you should be able to rotate this using either the drive shaft or rotating from in here itself so that you can access this bolt. With that removed, you should be able to just push this center pin out. I'm going to reach up here and push it out. These here are the ends of your axles, and in order to remove the C-clips in here, it's as simple as pushing in your axle, exposing the C-clips, and they should just pretty much fall out. Once again, on this one over here, I'll show you again. I'm just gonna push in the axle, exposing this C-clip, and it should just pop right out. Now all we gotta do is slide it out. And that is it. Quick, easy, and simple. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on Instagram at It's Project Venture, as well as the Tickety Talk at It's Project Venture. Thanks for watching.